out of here, put back in here.
John Wayne.
It'll do okay for backing. I know it'll do okay for backing, but I look at it, you know, we got the turbo with this thing. We'll put it online, let y'all use this one, trying to 72 and 74 to back up. And I'll look at it later on, trying to get it over END probably Friday, so you can change the turbo out. Or down like, always got to anticipate. The best thing to always do is slow down ahead of time. Downshift, you can slow it down. All you're doing is you're hoping it's a light turn, but you don't have to stop. Right? You got to always look far ahead and see what's going on. Like the other light barrier is green. Well, there's a good possibility it's going to stop. It's going to turn red on. It's going to stop us. You know, the traffic there goes moving, which starts downshifting back there, slowing it down. This light would probably turn green and we wouldn't have to stop all the way. But we have to stop. Put it in here and get ready to go. Once we get past this right here, we want to get our left lane.
U-turn.
When it starts going down, put on the left turn signal. Everybody know that 3 miles is going down. More. Down here. Back and brake go down. Brake go down. Downshift. Put her down. Down. Yeah, too fast. Hard. Try to took it out a little too soon. Go down. Go for it. That's what's about here, man. Well, it looks like the boss and all of them said the heck with it. It's too cold, they ain't going back. The electric don't work. The heater's not working. We got it fixed yesterday. We're going home. Take hard left. Keep them to the curve with that water guy there. Hard left. All right. Hard left. Hard. When it hits curve, no problem. So we're going to have to because the guy's waiting. If you park there, we had to try to find a fit the curve. We always look at our situation. You have to show it. That way we'll go. You always got to look at our situation to find out what is our best option.
Hell of a drive.
Warm up. Put her down. More gear. Accelerate. Clean up. Now go to it. I'll little gear. There you go. Alright, when you get out of the lane, have to keep that gear. Now turn signals off, just on that right turn signal left over, you're going to be making right hand turn. That's where I was going slow. Stay out there in the lane. You want to have as much room as you can. Always use as much of the road as you need to try to make your turn. want to try to get it down to these around bids. You don't get it 6, but you 6, take a turn. But bids is always a better gear to make your turn with. Yeah. Pull on through it. Get the keys to the other truck, you just start it up. Go ahead and put this online. Use it to back up with, but it ain't gonna fill up no trees to build a drive. Alright. Combination on this door. You're trying to let you know that this door lets you know if you're doing it right. You just pull in on it, and you try to open it. Just open the door. If you don't do it right, the truck's gonna tell you to start, you get out. Lock this thing, pull it in, start the line.
Welcome to International Cheap Truck Driving School.
Yeah, what do you got to say about that, Mr. Tim?
Money not spent well.
We got Mr. John Wayne. John Wayne, bitch. On the crash course this morning. We made it safely back to the school, though.
We're live.
Got Evil Knievel going 25 on the 60. Impeding traffic. Mr. Tim, you passed, though. You passed your driving test today. Hell of a job.
What needs world to me?
You can make it as an ice truck.
Like the people that are behind me. It's an ice truck.
Got John Wayne. Mr. Idea. We're going to put us in the raggedest truck on the fucking lock today. I don't know why.
Hey, we learned how to break down.
How to make it through. Like John Wayne said, it could be worse. It could have been worse. But I'm signing out. See you later.